Now we know we can upload code to the board, we're going to take a step back and learn about variables. These are one of the key tools that will let us make more complex code. So before we use a variable, we have to declare it. If we use a variable in our program before we declare it, our code won't compile. We typically declare variables at the start of the program, and here I've got some quick examples which we'll explain a bit on the next slide. But here we've declared an integer, we've declared pi, and we've declared a true or false value. Now, as I alluded to on the previous slide, there is a few data types that we can use. Now, this isn't all of them, but we've got the most common ones there. We've got integers, so numbers without a decimal place, floats, which are numbers with a decimal place, a bool or a boolean, which is a true or false value, or a character, which is L, K, the @ symbol, or anything like that. With data types that talk about numbers, we can do arithmetic with them. Now, I won't explain to you what addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is because I know that you know. However, something that you might not have seen before is a remainder or modulo. So this basically divides one number by another number and gives what is left over. So if we divide 7 by 5, it'll divide evenly once, then we'll get a decimal place. But the number that was left over that couldn't be divided evenly was 2. It's the same with 9 and 5, what couldn't be divided was 4. And when we divide 5 by 5, there is nothing left over, so it's 0. Compound operators let us do arithmetic in a lot more shorthand form. And they're very common just because it allows code to be a lot shorter and succinct. So plus plus will increase a variable by 1, minus minus will decrease it, plus equals allows us to do the same as plus plus, but it doesn't have to be 1. So we can increase a number by 3, 10, or whatever. Minus equals lets us do the opposite, and modulo lets us take the remainder, similar to before, and declare the variable to be that number. So this can be a little complicated, so we've got an example. So we start with 8. Now we're going to do plus plus, so we get 9. Moving on, I plus equals 3 means that I equals I plus 3. So that's how it's expanded. I equals 9 plus 3. And we've got I modulo equals 5. We've got I, which is now 12, and we want to take the modulo of 5. Now, thinking from before, we're going to divide by 5 twice, have a remainder, and that remainder is going to be 2. So I now equals 2. As you can see, it's a lot more succinct way to write out some of that arithmetic from before.